Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture of algorithm to find the given number is odd or even. A number, an integer is given to us as an input. We have to find whether the given number is a odd or even. So before going to the algorithm, I want to give some explanation about the modulo operator, the percentage symbol modulo operator. This is known as a modulo operator. This modulo operator, it always returns the remainder. Okay, for example, if I give a 4 modulo 2 which is equal to 0. So 4 by 2, the remainder is 0. Likewise, I am taking 5 modulo 4, the remainder is 1. The remainder is 1. And okay, another example, I am giving 3 modulo 2, the remainder is 1. So our logic is, we are going to divide, okay, we are going to find the remainder of the given number by 2. Okay, for example, my input is 5. My input is 5. Okay, I have to find 5 modulo 2, the remainder is 1. 5 modulo 2, the remainder is 1. So how it occurs? So 5, I am dividing 5 by 2. So here 2 times this 4, the remainder is 1. So this is the one which is written by the modulo operator. Okay. Likewise, if I take 7 modulo 2, so what is the remainder? 3 times, okay, and the remainder is 1. 11 modulo 2, so what is the remainder? Okay, 5 times, okay, 5 times and remainder is 1. So listen, so these are all the odd numbers. When you find the remainder of the odd number which is divisible by 2, then the remainder is always 1. Next we will take an even number. Okay, we will take an even number. I am taking 6. Okay, 6 modulo 2, 6 by 2. Okay, 3 times it will go 3 times and the remainder is 0. So 6 by 2, 0. I am taking 16 modulo 2 again. Okay, 8 times, it will go 8 times, the remainder is 0. For example, I am taking 10,000 modulo 2. Okay, 10,000 modulo 2, the remainder is 0. So our logic is, when we find the remainder of the given number by dividing the number 2, the odd number always returns the value 1. Even numbers always returns the value 0. So this is the programming logic which we are using in this algorithm, which we are going to use in this algorithm. Okay, okay, now we will go to our algorithm. We will go to our algorithm. The step 1, algorithm is start. Okay, step 2, so we have to get the value for a number. I am taking a variable n. So get the value, this is input. Input n. So we obtain the value from the user. Okay. So next we are going to our logical part in step 3. Step 3. So we have to find if the number n modulo 2 equal to 0, double equal to 0. Double equal to is a comparison, single equal to is an assignment. We are checking that the n modulo 2 equal to 0. Okay, the remainder is 0. Modulo return the remainder. We are dividing the number n by the value 2 and obtain the modulo operator return the remainder. Okay, is 0. So what we find, if the number by 2, okay, by 2, the remainder modulo 2 is 0. That means the remainder is 0. Then the number is a even number. So we have to print then print n is even number. Even number. Okay. Else print. So what else? If n modulo 2 which is not equal to 0, then for odd number it will be 1 only. Okay, any number you can take. For example, I am taking a number, okay, a 10,001 modulo 2, the remainder is 1 only. Okay, go to 5,000 times, okay, 5,000 and remainder is 1 only. So if it is not equal to 0, then print n is odd number. N is if n modulo 2 equal to 0, then n is even number. Otherwise the n modulo 2 which is not equal to 0, then n is a odd number. So this is our logic. Then end if okay, finally, sorry, end if should not indented under else. It should come the same spacing of if else. End if. Okay. Step 4, stop. Step 4, step stop. Okay, so start, okay, start, and we are getting input n. Okay, if n modulo 2 equal to 0, then n is even number, else n is odd number. Okay, then stop. So this is the algorithm to calculate whether the given number is a odd or even. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Those who have to subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for the continuous updates. Thank you.